Show me how you feed Elmo, honey.
It's it. He has like
Does he like it?
in his body.
You putting it on his body? Oh, does his body like the yogurt? Does the yogurt taste good that way, hun?
He's all dirty.
Oh, he's all dirty. Are you all dirty too?
He's not a nice beer.
So you're not going to give Elmo some of Daddy's beer? Good.
Like you are gonna have almost off.
You're going to wipe Elmo off?
Tuga. Have you
Is he in a toga now, hun?
He in a toga. He in a toga. He have a.
Is he like the yogurt?
I'm ridiculous. Oh my rock.
Where you going, hun?
He and Y. And it's still of his towel. It says on the towel. Little guy, he's all dirty. Let's dry off.
Did he get dried off?
Yes.
Oh, good.
Let's see him.
Are you going to go check on him? Oh, you got to get more yogurt?
Baby yogurt?
Yeah, that's the baby yogurt.
We got the gravy silly.
We did.
We make the big yogurt.
You can be back with your yogurt? Wait, where are you going with that yogurt?
Right here.
Yeah, are you going to feed it to yourself or to somebody else? You're going to feed it to June Hensley?
Myself.
To yourself. Good. That's a cool pose. You want to sing a song for me, hon?
You sing a song.
Why don't you sing a nice song?